Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We are trying something new today. And we're going to take you guys along with us. So if you like videos based around life, travel, food, fashion, beauty, keep watching. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. Press that notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And let go. It's date day. And it may very well turn into date night, y'all, because y'all know how we roll. Right, Papa? Mm-hmm. This is pretty. And what's the name of this place that we're going to?
Café Cremerie.
Café Cremerie. That's where we're going today.
I think I'm saying it right.
Hopefully we're saying it correctly.
So, wait, hold on. Okay. It ain't just...
Well, hopefully we're saying it correctly. It's new. They just opened up, when you said, March the 17th?
Yeah.
So it's something new in Chicago. And we are here to check it out.
Motherfucker right there got my shit. That was me.
Alright, we're going to find parking because it looked like it's finna get ready to turn into an episode of Parking Wars. Bye, guys. So, we're here. We parked. And we're not acting silly. Oh, look at that. I mean, even though like everything is like super dirty. But
Ooh.
I know, right?
Look at that. That's dropping a little fast for you.
It is, isn't it? Alrighty, guys. So we're walking from the parking lot to the place. Looks like it's about maybe a block or so. Hopefully. We're gonna catch up with you guys when we make it inside. And he heard about this place on Instagram, by the way. Follow me there.
Do they look like...
Alrighty, guys. I had to go and change and put on my wintertime clothes. Change coats because we are on to another stop.
Yeah.
We're done with, what was the name of the place? Café?
Cremerie.
What he said.
Yeah.
And it was absolutely delicious. Food was amazing. What did we get there? That flatbread? Was it flatbread? That lighting is really, really bad, you guys. Okay. So we got the focaccia with arugula, parmesan, chili flakes, red chili flakes.
Oh no, it was everything with the works.
But it was good. He got a chocolate cake and we got macarons.
Going down?
We on to the next place. We don't know where we going. We're just walking until my hair flying all over the place. until we just, I guess, find something.
We gonna go up one.
And it looked like they having like some kind of march or something going on down here. So the police is out. We're supposed to be going to the doghouse. We're gonna try to walk. It's about a little bit over a half a mile. They sent us about a 17-minute walk, but it's a little nippy out here. But the wind ain't blowing in this direction, right, Papa?
No, it really ain't. It ain't as bad going this way.
Guys, we'll get back to you guys. It looked like maybe, yeah, like the Ukrainian. Is it Ukraine or Ukrainian?
I mean, the people are Ukrainian.
Okay.
And this Ukraine is the place.
I think that they're probably doing some type of march for Ukraine. So we will, because I need to pay attention. We need to get back to walking and watching, and we'll update you guys once we make it to the next place. All right, bye y'all. Alright guys, we are at, we tired. I'm gonna include some pictures that we took on the boardwalk, okay? But we are at our second stop, and it is called the Food Hall, and it's there. Alright, so it's called the Food Hall and Bar, and we are getting the Doghouse. And it is spelled, what is it? How's it spelled again, Papa?
We're about to run up on it right now. D-O-G-H-O-U-S.
It's almost like a food court. So they have, from my understanding, my husband's been here before. They have drinks, they have different restaurants that you can go to, but we're going to the Doghouse. So I'll let you all guys know. I'll let you know once we get inside. And this is very bad lighting, so we'll be back. Bye. Alright guys, so they have this place called The Bar, and these are some of the cocktails. So, guys, we just left the Gilt bar, and you guys see how it's spelled? Let me try to get it. We just left there, and it was an amazing experience. You should have seen like our drinks and maybe like a little bit of the bar. I didn't include much because we was really just trying to live in the moment. So but I did include a little bit. Papa got a little bit of the downstairs. They had a what is that thing called? Photo booth. They had a photo booth, so we took a couple of pictures and we posted them on the wall. And now we are on our way to Eataly for dessert and wine. Papa, what do you think the temperature is now? For whatever reason, it seemed like the temperature dropped a little bit. So seems as if it's
up a little bit.
you think it's a little warmer, yeah. So it seems as if it's a little bit warmer. We took a couple of pictures down by the Riverwalk, so we'll include those. We've already visited the hot dog place. That was, guys,
fire.
listen, if y'all are looking for someplace inexpensive and fulfilling and tasty and have a little drink for an affordable price, check them out. Because and then our waitress was like so nice. Which way? Okay, so
yeah, I get on the inside.
Lighting is bad. Okay, here go a little bit more, better lighting. All right, so our waitress, she for whatever reason she didn't ask about leaving a tip on that bill, which she was amazing. I mean, she should have definitely asked about leaving a tip, and unfortunately we don't carry cash like that, so we wasn't able to leave a tip, but we did tell her next time we come we'll definitely look for and make sure we look out for her for the last time and this time. So they glass bus. Oh, okay, so if you come, just make sure you try to where it Papa found another place.
Brown Bag Seafood Company.
Papa said they got lobster rolls if you guys are looking for someplace. And then if you're looking for like a little juice bar, Joe the Juice. So Papa's saying we're at Wells and Hubbard right now. And that's where you can find the seafood place. Look at my hair, y'all. That's where you can find the seafood place and then the juice bar. Yeah, so let me stop rambling and pay attention to these streets because these people are not paying attention right now because the sun is the sunset is kind of coming down a little bit, so it's really hard to see if you don't have sunglasses and stuff. It's really hard to see right now because we did go back an hour, so we're getting a little bit more sunlight. All right, so we're on our way to Eataly and we will check back in then because my hands are getting cold. All right, bye guys. All right guys, we are at Eataly and we are about to get ready to have our dessert and wine and all kinds of stuff. We'll meet y'all on the inside. They have some of the best coffee. We know one place on the south side. We're gonna have to take y'all there one day.
Oh shit, tiramisu? I didn't even know.
Okay. Right. Okay. You said that one is edible even though it is covered in mold.
Correct. It is a safe mold. Okay. Yeah, it's a safe mold that they use to put it on the cheese and they let the mold grow, so that way they can protect the cheese inside.
Would this be similar to like brie?
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, so This ends our date night. We are tired. It is now like what?
7 o'clock.
It's like 8. It's like 7:30, 8 o'clock, guys. So, don't forget to subscribe. Follow on Instagram. Everything will be, y'all see it? It'll be right here, or over here, or over there, or up there, or something. Check out all my other videos, and we'll see you all next time. Thanks for hanging out with us. Bye. Say bye, Papa. Say bye, Papa.
Why you always do me? Bye. It's you, baby. Just buy it out. I'm trying to do.